Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to generate a PDF invoice literally in your theme. You don't need any apps for it. It's just a one-time purchase. And so what this allows you to do is when a customer goes in and creates an account, at the very bottom they'll be able to generate a PDF. Now this eliminates the need to go back and forth in communication. Oh, send me a new invoice or this or that, because Shopify themselves don't have that solution right now. They do through apps and plugins, but it's not through their store, through the theme itself. So this is specifically for Dawn, and it generates a PDF that you can save, you can archive it, and you can print it off. It's really cool. So let me just show you how that works. So if I go to the online store and I have an account, and once I enter in my login, I'm going to be logged in here, and you'll see that there are two orders. So I've placed it September and December, and they'll be able to, your customer, be able to review all the orders and the past orders they've ever created. So within this, you'll be able to click the selected order. So let's say, for example, 1004, and then down here, download invoice. So when I click on this gives me the PDF that I can download. Oops, it took a second, but I doubled it, but it's right over here. And then when you open it, you'll have the logo right over here, and then text and a summary of what the customer ordered. So they can print it off, save it, download it, things like that, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you don't have this, then it'll just look similar to the account, and then not the option. So we're going to give you that today. So let's get right into it. So what you're always going to start out with is a Dawn the README file, and then our end user license agreement, and then also just the snippet itself. So the first thing it's going to say is down here, you're going to go into the theme editor, and you're going to click on main-order. Now this is going to be as sections, and you're going to add this whole RTF file in the very beginning of the code. Now if you're working on some other themes, it might look like customers/order, and in templates, not in sections. But specifically for Dawn, it's going to be in main-order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my online store. So now I have Dawn 701 version. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to preview this and show that I have an account, and right over here I don't have the option to download it, just like this, unlike the previous what I showed you like here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to edit my code, and I'm going to go back to my README file, and I'm going to go under main order right over here, and it's going to be under a section, so main order. And then what I want to do, I'll close out of this. What I want to do is add the whole RTF file that we wrote for you above the whole section itself. So in this file right over here, I'm just going to open this up, and I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to add it right above here. Enter, enter. And then I can just format Liquid so it just looks a bit nicer, and then I'm going to click save. Now the next part is the settings. So I want you to stay in here because I want you to kind of get familiarized with this. So you can change the title, download invoice. You can say get invoice or download invoice. It makes sense. Right over here, this is the default logo, which is our logo for an example. And to get this link, you can go back into the settings and go into your files. And if you already have a logo, let's say I want Peruvian. So let's say I want this logo instead. I'm just going to copy and paste this link right into the code. So I'll just paste that right into here, save it. And then also your sender company, so that's your company, and then your address, your zip code, all that information, and then your customer's information as well right here. And then the last part you're going to have to just customize if you want to change it up, which you should because it has our email. Just change this up, the text, and we'll write hello. I'm just going to save this. So there's no editing in the theme editor. It's theme code in the theme editor code right here, just this top part right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview my store with the new invoice. So I should see after Shopify updates the download invoice option. So I'm going to download that. And let's see, Peruvian, it has a logo and it has all the text here, has the date, when I ordered it, and the summary of what I ordered, what the customer ordered. And that's basically it. So yes, it looks really simple. It is actually really simple. It definitely does help as you send out, especially in this Q4, this time of the year, invoices, and it's just so much easier because you can tell your customers, oh, make an account, and then they'll be able to just generate it themselves. And there are apps that do this, but there are, you know, monthly apps, things like that. So this is a one-time fee, and it works really well with your theme. I hope you like this. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help the YouTube algorithm. We do love you guys, and please comment below about, you know, new snippet ideas. We definitely want to make them for you, and we hope you like it. Thank you so much.